Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series, lesson 51a, in which we will take small noon or noon qutni, which is printed in the Indo-Pak prints only. In general, noon qutni occurs in the Quran almost 50 times in the Quran, which is not that much. Why is it printed? Here is a simple logic that is presented here. When noon sakina is followed by a silent letter, then kasra is placed on noon to make it easy to read. So for example, man plus iftara. Now iftara, that e in word iftara, e is temporary hamza. So actually it is man plus iftara. So to make it easy, it is maniftara, kasra is placed on the noon. Similarly, there are other cases in the Quran like man plus istata'a. E in istata'a is temporary, so man plus istata'a will become manistata'a. All these temporary hamzas are just dropped. For example, liman plus al-mulku. Actually, it is il-mulku. So a in al-mulku is temporary. It is the kingdom. So limanil mulku. Similarly, faman plus ittaqa will become famanittaqa. Alright. Similar change occurs when you have tanween, because it is not easy to show the change. In case of tanween, a small noon is placed before the next word. For example, Nuhun, I am writing it wrongly. Nuhun plus ibnahu. When you join Nuhun plus ibnahu, and ibn, e in ibna is temporary, so Nuhun plus ibnahu will become Nuhun ibnahu. But you know, you don't write Nuhun like this, you write it with a tanween. So when you join, how will you take care of that ni sound? So what will they do is nuhu, and a small noon is placed nibnahu. That's how you read it. Very simple actually. All you got to do is just read the small noon. We are explaining you why it is placed. Similarly, so can you repeat after me? Nuhun ibnahu. Nuhun ibnahu. Similarly, yawma idhin plus il-haqqu will become yawma idhi nil-haqqu. Repeat, yawma idhi nil-haqqu. Yawma idhi nil-haqqu. Similarly, we have qawman plus Allahu, and we told you Allahu, the a hamza in the word Allah is temporary. So qawman plus Allahu will become qawmanillahu. Repeat, qawmanillahu. Don't say qawmanillahu. Don't put mad there. Make sure it is not mad. You just join it. It is a merger. Qawmanillahu. Similarly, when you have aliman and then stop sign is there, but you have la, that means you should not stop there, plus illadina. Aliman plus illadina will become alimanilladina. Repeat, alimanilladina. And lastly, lumazatin plus alladhi will become lumazatinilladhi. Repeat, lumazatinilladhi. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.